Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys, and on this video I'm gonna guide you how to fix Instagram filters and if it's not showing problem. If you are also facing the same problem, then what you need to do is simply you need to check your internet connection at first. Here you can see that my internet connection has not been switched on and it's not on the stable condition, so might be because of that Instagram filters and effects are not showing up on the Instagram. Check the internet connection and make it stable, then your problem might be fixed. But if not yet, then what you need to do is simply you need to hop into Instagram application. Make sure to sign in on your Instagram account first. Then what you need to do is simply tap on the bottom right corner profile icon. Then tap on the upper right corner 3-line menu icon. Then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Under the professional, you can see account type and tools. Tap on it. And first, you need to switch to professional account. Tap on switch to professional account and tap on continue. Then you need to select what describes you the best, then tap on done. Now if you want to create your professional account as creator or business, you can choose anyone and tap on next. If you want to share logins using account center, you can tap on continue or tap on not now. And you need to follow all the 6 steps in order to set up your professional account. After you have done that, then you can easily switch to your personal or the business account on the professional account, and you can easily fix Instagram filters and if it's not showing problems. So once you have done this step, you can easily fix and the filters and the effects will automatically shown up on your Instagram app. After this steps also your problem has not been yet solved, then you need to head into the settings on your mobile device and tap on apps. Now select app management. On the search bar, tap on it and type in Instagram and get access on the Instagram app info page. Tap on Instagram now. Here you can see storage users. Tap on it and clear all the cache. Once you have done that, what you need to do is the last step is you need to make sure you have updated your app, because there might be bugs which might be creating the problem of Instagram filters and effects not showing up on your device. For that, you can hop into an Play Store or the App Store that's available on your device, and you need to search in Instagram on the search bar, and instead of open button, if you see any update button, you need to simply tap on update and make your app up to date. Right now I have simply made my app up to date, so there is the open button. After that, you need to once restart your device by holding on the power button, and here you can simply see the restart button. Tap on it and restart your app. After you have followed all this step, your problem of Instagram filters and effects not showing problem will be definitely solved. So if you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification of this channel so that you won't miss any videos from this channel. Thank you guys.